Yes. We just been following you now to the drum regularly for this place. This one at the show, they carry all their church and things. We consign BOBOS and babies them concern you. This one at the show, what they call BOBOS yarn. Yes, and you're welcome. And I know if you stay alone, you know, see my criminals, them, they always inside studio with me. Hey!
Criminals only one day, they don't lock one.
I don't know what you guys go do. She ain't go steal PVC.
I know. Now woman matter now. What the concern show man relationship? Now woman matter.
Sorry. No, I know if you take that shake.
Why?
Nah, criminal shake. So you shake me like gentleman. How?
Okay, gentleman shake. When I see the person why they shake gentleman, this son our own brother, our paddy, GF, na grand comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Yes, this is the one and only, yes, a.k.a. Eleno. He follows this about today. Okay, I call him Jure.
For the people who know, it's called Julius Akilami.
One.
He's married.
Oh, wait.
Because okay, you know why they clear the because you know say our guests who they watch this program.
Nah,
so that they go know where to China they are this thing go. Okay, he's married, yes.
Three.
He get wife. He's married and he get wife. Four, they count.
He's married and he get wife.
Three.
He get Pekin.
Four.
And he has a son.
Five.
That's five. And I'm responsible.
Yes. So who not responsible now? What you call
why you got to say responsible?
I had that to the criteria now.
Why? So we not responsible.
You be guest for this show.
You be guest.
I'll answer you before you talk. I'll answer you, then you talk.
Wow. Now they ask you, go talk. I beg, you see, as you don't count all in criteria now, you don't marry, you don't get son, you know, it can't put my head into something where I even want more talk about self. You know, as we they come this bar, we they see different babes, they see everything. Now go make me even ask that question, and I go want me we really put eye for this matter. You feel find true love for club or for bar like this? True love, can you find it?
You ask who don't marry.
Wait. No, if you go ask me, it depends on the club. because if you have a Quilocks, if you find girls very expensive. But if not like
Rita Lori.
Rita Lori. Oh, Steph, Baba.
But true, you know, say some people they talk say they go meet babe. Some people they love Olosho pieces, like
yes,
Olosho pieces. I don't see guy will say they die for Olosho neck. And you know he won't die there, he won't die put there. Now come make me look and say come. And you know say this same Olosho go run things, come back house, come meet you and everything. That one are true love. I've been waiting because you go find true love for club truly.
Apart from joke, Eleno, for true life, for your own opinion, what do you think?
But now I don't talk so now. What's now? No, I serious. You know they go all this club with the island, like MVP, Quilocks, all those clubs. You don't see the guys that go there, package fine gets. Those not guys if you fall in love with. You know, you expect me to come. I can't go with the Talon and we get the stuff for road. Where you know,
because of package now, you go marry package.
What if go marry person where we say now package, but at the end of the day, it not still makes sense.
No, the question be say whether if you find true love club, and I say depend on the club. It depends on the club.
Because really, you know, say so many guys they don't like normal girls.
Wait, ma add something now. You go one club for Island, for example. You buy one drink, 30 something K. And you see girl there, she says she buy drink like that way you buy 30 something K. Is that not expensive? You can get true love there. Not be when you go club where they say Paraga. For outside.
Well, you know, for those small club there, now you go meet girl. Where you maybe say the girl, all what she find come that club now 2,000 naira. Understand? But you now as a guy, you come dash her like 5K. You know, say she go pray for you. Where are they come?
Watch close.
Somewhere they come your house. If you don't back at the girl from all those small club, they will be say now when you buy beer, now they put fire for you. You know, say for big club when you buy champagne, all those drinks, now they put fire. But get some club when you buy beer because everybody then a soft drink, up me. So the people, and then you come that 5,000. She go love you, cook for you, wash your clothes. So I believe that from there, you will get through love.
No. I know they like those guys. I know they like love where I like love where you get high dreams. That's why I say Highland.
Let make somebody say, don't marry for money. but go to where rich people are.
That's what we are saying. Not going to Italori or going to Monalido in Ababa. I don't know these places. I hear about them.
But really, you know, say, waiting the bar for me mostly, I say, this love na mumutin, oh. Na mumutin, if you catch you anywhere, then I can't throw that question because I don't see guy we don't love Olosho. I don't see guy we say, you don't even love people, girls, they say, all their life. Now today, drink, party, club. You don't understand? So how true love won't take come from that kind of thing?
And you know why they had? Nowadays, if you go club, you only dance with girl. The next thing, when you go here, she will ask you, are you game? Because they want to be the play match. You ask, are you game? Say, what do you have for me? So I don't know how true love won't come inside, except when you want them to say true love won't come from. Now when you carry the girl reach house, or now finish what I want to do, you can't money give her. She say, no, don't worry. See, just keep the money.
See, you see in this life, all this they talk say when you go club, you find a girl. You see, when you like what you talk now, say the girl can say, are you game? But if not for all this small club, why you
just be particular about these small clubs. Yeah.
Oh, let me make my point. It's my personal point.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make your point.
You see, if not big club, then they ask you because they just assume say for you to come here, you did on point. You did on point, you know. So no need, you know, if you want find love for club, make it be club. If you say the girl come, you know, say this one, okay, this one go to aim high. Let your love be placed on high pedestals.
Chakarano just get with you.
No, that's what I'm saying. Don't go and look for true love in Italori. That's not true love. That's any love.
Please. For those of you that go to small club, when I know my when I know mine now, you can get your true love, and even if I get this club for a kajad, for that Allen. No be page. You want club.
Hey, Packers! You see them? You see what I'm saying?
See, when I first come Lagos, when I stay on a good that time. Now Packers now they go now, go stand like this.
And then they see your girlfriend.
My own work, they go buy noodles for those that shower them.
Why you don't fall in love with them?
No.
Because they helped your career. I remember you helped them buy Indomie. They don't allow you enter to perform. Why did you fall in love with one of them?
I don't buy for them. I shall call home like this, carry me this way the bounce and they'll call use body push the bounce. Come on for them, my junior brother.
What more love do you want more than that? What love do you want more than that?
I beg somebody make me rush enter street. Make me hear waiting our people got stuff. You feel find true love for club when they come back. Now see BOBOS are not go anywhere.
I don't think so.
Yes, of course. If you find true love now.
True love inside club. Well, it depends on individuals.
I'm not sure. It's not possible. It no dey possible.
Yes, it's possible at times, depending on the kind of person I meet for the club.
No, I'm not sure. No.
You know, if you see true love for where people inside market or inside club, you cannot see. You know, if you see.
For me, as in, I can't find. I don't have from my background, okay, where the kind of understanding I have, I can't find it in a club. Yeah, it's not possible.
You see somebody for the first time, now as you call them, now talk, now know each other for the first sight. Now second time you meet, now the closer you get with the person, the higher you develop interest and the love with the person. So it could be that is the point of where you feel meet your person where you now go live life with.
Because in a club now, how you go find true love inside club? It don't make sense. The kind of girls you feel meet there are not reliable people.